Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Limited. The Sierra is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. A leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. Vehicle does have dual zone climate control. Nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, integrated trailer braking system, wireless charging, USB ports and outlets, dual glove box, Bose audio, and our black leather seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires, a nice in-between tire for off-road, on-road, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging on the door and 6.2 liter plaque on the front fender. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, making room for those big wheel and tire packages, extra ground clearance. You do have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals and fog lights, parking sensors up front with the signature red tow hooks, even a camera system in the front grille. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows, blacked out window trim, crew cab with the regular box. We have color matched rear bumper, GM MultiPro tailgate, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior here, second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. We do have the in-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, black headliner over top with LED lighting, and a massive single panel sunroof, USB ports, and a 12-volt outlet for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.